Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to share a list in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just go into the saved menu. And here we decide which list we want to share. Tap on the three dots next to its name, then tap on share, and here we can select the way that we want to share it. And there are even more options to choose from if you tap on more options. And yeah, you can just select the app that we want to use to share the list by. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.